What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to use built-in surface level in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on display. Now in display, scroll down and click on edge panels. Now here you will see a edge panel button on the top. So first of all turn on this button and then tap on panels. Now after opening panels, select the tools panel to add it to the edge panel, and after adding, go back to your home screen. Now to use built-in surface level, open that tools panel from the edge panel. So this is the tools panel. Now click on this three dot more icon and from here tap on surface level. Now you can use this surface level to check your surface level if it's flat or not. So when the x and y values are 0, it means your surface level is flat, but if it doesn't show the value 0, it means your surface level is not flat. So that's how you can use the built-in surface level in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.